As self-isolation and quarantining becomes inevitable, what about people who struggle being by themselves? One group in particular, addicts. Big Two's Jake Eichstead spoke with a local expert about healthy ways to isolate. So, Jake, what were some of their recommendations?
Good evening, Eddie. AA in-person meetings will change to reflect the new statute saying people of 10 or more can't gather. We're told a lot of AA classes in the area have over 10 people regularly, but they have some other options if they need the support.
Our population that's struggling with addiction and alcohol to understand that they are not alone at this time.
While bars are closing, AA is trying to keep its doors open. In Odessa, they will follow strict protocol of the governor's mandate limiting social gatherings.
I've spoken with some of the chairpersons of AA in Odessa, and what they are doing at this time is making sure that they are keeping 10 occupants to each section of the AA program here, or the AA building here in Odessa.
We're told meetings frequently see more than 10 clients come in. So, to help that out, some agencies are taking meetings to the web.
Maintaining the structure would be most imperative time at this time is to make sure that they are still participating in some sort of recovery program through YouTube, through audio videos. There's a lot of good speakers out there.
Scroggins says she uses these practices with her patients already.
We have learned how to access those resources because they're assigned to do the specific essays and videos, motivational, spiritual, to allow them knowledge of where else to go when situations like this do arise, when they feel that they are alone and having to isolate.
For more information on resources addicts can take advantage of in these abnormal times, a comprehensive list will be posted to our website, yourbasin.com, of both online and in-person places that are still open. There will also be some tips from Scroggins about how to spend free time in a healthy way. Reporting in studio, Jake Eichstead, Big 2 News.